Archerfish are famous for their amazing hunting skills. They shoot powerful jets of water to knock insects off leaves and branches. They usually live in brackish and salty waters and can hit targets accurately from 2 to 3 meters away. Sometimes, they even jump out of the water to catch prey. Using their tongue and mouth, they create strong water streams. Their advanced eyes help them judge the exact position and distance of insects above the surface. Archerfish can grow 5 to 40 centimeters long and mainly feed on insects, spiders, and small crustaceans.